I just caught some kind of shiner. We're not really sure what they are yet. Caught another slightly larger shiner. Noah thinks that this might be a big mouth shiner. It's got a overhanging top lip. I'm gonna let him go. He lives. What's up, guys? You're tuning in to another episode of Legends Outdoors. Today, I'm out with a buddy, Noah, and we're doing some fishing, micro fishing to begin with. Later in the day, we might move to another spot and try maybe targeting burbot. But right now, we're just fishing. Caught some shiners and some microscopic log perch, smallest I've ever seen. Should be a cool video, so stay tuned, and I hope we catch some cool things to show you guys. And there we have it. That's my log perch for my life list. Might be the smallest log perch I've ever seen, but it'll count. There's a tiny log perch that I just caught. And get him back in the water. Well, it was somewhat just out of nowhere that this black-side darter came up and grabbed my bait. Come on, focus. There we go. Black-side darter, my first of its kind. I didn't think I'd catch one of these for quite a while still. Super cool. Love these guys. Let them go. There's another log perch that you guys can see a little bit better in the viewing tank. And I've wanted to catch one for a long time. They're so cool. These are tiny though. They get up to like 4 inches long. Maybe longer. I just got some kind of dace. I don't know if it's a southern red belly or a northern red belly. I'm gonna have to take some really good pictures of it. Because I have a southern red belly already. I don't have a northern though. They're pretty tough to distinguish. One of those days. Focus. There's that dace that I just caught. Either a southern or a northern red belly. Check out this beautiful dace I just caught.
Yeah. I'm fine with just staying here the rest of the day.
Yeah.
Just so much like little things. I had a couple of probably rainbows.
Noah just caught this really cool rainbow darter. Pretty neat catch. Check this out. These fish are trying to go up the falls. Without much luck, it looks like. There's hundreds of fish right here. Look at that. That's so cool. We're getting blocked by this waterfall. so they can't migrate upstream. And they're just piled in here, all in here. This looks like they're only even close to possible way up this waterfall. The unsuccessful ones, a decent sized log perch. This was all super cool, and I could honestly spend the whole day just sitting here admiring these falls and all the fish. But I'm gonna head back down by Noah and see how he's doing, see if he's catching anything. Well, it's starting to get really late here, and we're getting packed up. I'm gonna head home. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a follow, subscribe to us, like this video. Go check out our Instagram at LegendsOutdoors349. Stay tuned for a bunch more videos. Thanks for watching. Legends out.